Okay, hello, Dr. Hanis. Today, I want to introduce my assignment, the challenge faced by the old media in the new area. Uh, First, I want to introduce it. Nowadays, with the rapid development of information technology, the internet has gradually spread to the whole world. With the emergence of new media such as mobile phone, more and more people choose them to get information and knowledge through the mobile phone or computer. As a result, traditional media such as television and print newspapers have less and less influence in people's life. Thus, the question I want to study is the of the current dangers of traditional media such as TV and the newspaper, and the way out in the future. First, I discovered the challenge of traditional media. I choose two examples, the newspaper and television. First, the newspaper, we can show that with traditional and media shrinking, its AdSense leadership and advertising revenue deadline, and industrial staff shrinking. Then in the television, we can find that according to the picture in 2022, the opening rate of Chinese TV has dropped to 30%. And the sales of TV has also been deadline for 5 consecutive years. Although the TV has also have influence by in the elderly and children, and we can also find that the TV are in great danger. Then I discovered the development of new media. According to three of this picture, we can find that the rate of smartphone among Malaysia in 2022 reached 98.5%, an increase of 0.9% from last year's. In 2023, Malaysia will spend an average of 8 hours alone every day, which 76.2% will understand news and events. According to the statistics, by 2020, the sales of Chinese citizens has reached nearly 1 billion. Then I want to know the reason why the new media have great powers. We can find that there are three reasons. First, the internet is more convenient and faster, and people can get news they want to know anything and anywhere through their mobile phone. The second is because the internet news is more diversified and diverse. Newspaper can only state and evaluate things from one aspect. But people can understand a thing from too many aspects according to the internet. The third is the rise of new media such as internet will broaden the channels for people to receive information. According to these dangers, I think there are too many steps to solve it. The first is the government side. In China, the government has issued a plan to actively promote the integration of traditional media and new media. This can encourage the old media to give them new life and be actively to the new people. Then is the traditional media itself. Some traditional official news media have also established their own accounts in the field of the short video platform and the internet, actively drawing closer to new media and learning new communication methods, so they can be actively to get communication to the new life. So finally, is by ourselves. I think young people should learn more about the traditional media so that they can be influenced by the traditional media and actively encourage them to use their knowledge to promote the transformation of traditional media. Then is the self-reflection. I think with the development of the times, it is inevitable that traditional media will face a danger because they do not adopt to new life forms. What we can do is to actively transform them so that they can adapt to the development of the times. Okay, that's all. Thank you, Miss.